Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. I'm April, and today I'm here to show you my June Ivy box. I just got it in the mail, and I have not opened it yet. I'm going to leave my referral code linked down below in the subscription box, so if you decide that you would like to sign up for the Ivy box, just click the link below and it'll take you directly to the website. Alright, now let's get into it. I just took it out of the USPS box, and this month we have another small box. So the last two boxes now so far have been small boxes, but it still looks the same. It's cute. I don't know if the tissue paper was like this last month and I just didn't pay attention, but the tissue paper is different. Oh, that's cute. So I'm opening the box. And of course, I'm sure y'all, I have seen the teasers, but this is my first time trying it on. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, I like, look, here it go. So I first opened the box, and the theme for this month is Sisterhood is not a destination, but a journey. Look at that, that is pretty. That is so pretty. That is too cute. I like that. What's in the box? Okay, in this box I have a green bow tie sleeveless Oxford, a pink and white striped ruffle sleeve shell, an AKA 20 pearls passport holder, AKA 20 pearls luggage tag. So free bonus gifts. Ooh, I get a free gift. Free bonus gift, AKA 20 pearls bangle bracelet, and AKA crest bangle bracelet. That is cute. All right, the first thing, this is so cute. So this is the passport holder. Let me take it out the plastic. That is nice. So here is the passport holder, and it has AKA with the ivy leaf engraved on the front. Aw, look, ain't that cute? That is fancy. Next, we have the AKA luggage tag that matches the passport holder. And this is also, I'm so sorry for the glare, this is also engraved in the front. It has AKA and the ivy leaf. Aw, that is too cute. So then you unbutton it, and I love the fact that the button is gold. So you unbutton it, and then you have your information to fill out here, and you can put that on your luggage. Oh, that is cute. I like that. Look at that. Those two together. That is too cute. Make me want to go somewhere now. And next I have the AKA 20 pearls bangle bracelets. Now this I can already tell I am going to wear. Even though it is silver, but they are so cute. That's the crest. You probably can't see it. And then that is the ivy leaf. Aww. They remind me of the Alex and Ani bracelets. It's that similar style. Let me put these on now. I might wear these every day, even though I wear gold. I might have to wear these. Are cute. Next is the green bow tie sleeveless Oxford. When I first saw a picture of this, I don't know why I thought it was checkered. That's cute though. I don't know why I thought it was checkered, but it's green and white stripe. And see, I thought this was, at first I thought it was just solid green, but it's green and white. And I thought it was going to be thin, so I'm hoping when I try this on that it's not going to fit loose. Alright, so that's the shirt. I've been seeing some complaints about the armholes being too big, and I have small arms, so let's put it to the try-on test. I'm getting ready to go try this on and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, hey, I'm back. Okay, so I have on the green and white Oxford style shirt. And this shirt, at first I thought it was going to fit too big around my arms, but it actually fits pretty good. It is a gap here, but that's nothing too serious. Like, that's nothing major. This is a really cute shirt. I love, love, love the shield right here. That is really cute. And it is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So the fit of it is good. I thought it was going to be too loose, but it's not. But it's still cute though. Really nice shirt. I can see myself doing it with some white bottoms or pink. See, I just feel like my bow is always crooked. Oh, now that's cute. Now that I'd like. That's cute. Yeah, I can work with this. I can work with this. All right, that's the first one. Hey y'all, hey. I'm back again. So now I am wearing the pink and white striped shell. Now this one, it fits, I think it fits okay. It's not, I could have it fitted, like I would have liked for it to be a little bit more fitted, because again, I am small and it's like I could get it taken in, but I really don't want to do that. On the bottom, it has the ivy leaf patched on, so that is a really cute detail to have. And the ruffle sleeve, yeah, it's cute. I think this is cute. I think I like the green one better because I think that green would fit me a little bit better. But this one, I can work with this one too. So that's it for today's video. I think they made a good comeback this month because I am very pleased with the items that I received in my box. And also the 2 bonus items, that was a good gesture. So thank you, Ivy Storehouse. For those of you who are interested in still signing up, you can sign up in 1, 3, 6, and 12-month increments for $35. And also remember that there is no obligation to resubscribe. So if you liked your Ivy box this month, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching and stay pretty. Bye.